Hello, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language, one word at a time. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm thrilled to have you here today. Let's get started with our word of the day, annoying. It's a B1 level adjective, and it means causing irritation or slight anger. Now, this is a word we've all experienced at some point, whether it's a pesky fly buzzing around your head or waiting for a slow internet connection. Annoying is used in everyday language to describe things, people, or situations that get on our nerves. For example, you might say, "The constant noise from the construction site is so annoying," or "It's annoying when someone interrupts you while you're speaking." The word perfectly captures those little frustrations we face. Let's explore some synonyms for annoying. Words like irritating, bothersome, and aggravating are all great alternatives. For instance, you could say, "The mosquito bites are really irritating," or "His habit of tapping on the table is so bothersome." Each of these words conveys a similar feeling of annoyance, but can add variety to your vocabulary. On the other hand, antonyms for annoying include words like pleasant, agreeable, and delightful. These are used to describe things that bring joy or calmness rather than frustration. For example, instead of saying, "That noise is annoying," you could contrast it by saying, "The sound of the ocean waves is so pleasant." In daily life, you'll find annoying popping up in all sorts of contexts. Maybe it's an annoying coworker who clicks their pen during meetings, or an annoying traffic jam when you're running late. It's a handy word to express mild displeasure without being too harsh. Here are a few more examples of annoying in sentences. It's annoying when someone leaves the lights on in an empty room. That squeaky door is really annoying. We should fix it. The annoying buzz of my alarm clock woke me up too early. And that's our deep dive into today's word, annoying. We've covered its meaning, synonyms, antonyms, and examples to help you feel confident using it in your conversations. Thank you so much for tuning in to Hello Word. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support makes a big difference and helps others discover the show. I'd love to hear from you, too. Why not create your own sentence using annoying and share in the comments? I can't wait to see what you come up with. Thanks again for listening, and I'll see you next time.